And we are live. Hello mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lur business page, and now a proud digital business owner. Tonight, we will be diving deep into something we often overlook while chasing our goals, which is legacy. We all want to provide well, give our family a good life, and build something lasting. But beyond the success and savings, I want to ask, what kind of legacy are we building? Will people remember what we had? Or who be who we became along the way. Because truth is, money can fade, but meaning lasts forever. So when I was working in Singapore, my focus was simple. Provide for my kids, give them stability, and make sure life was secure. And yes, that was something to be proud of. But as time went by, I met people, fellow OFWs, business mentors, friends who inspired me in a different way. They weren't just earning, they were impacting lives. They built communities, shared knowledge, and helped others rise. So that made me reflect. What if legacy isn't about how much we accumulate, but how much we contribute? I realize legacy isn't about what we leave for others. It's about what we leave in them. Our values, how we treat others, the integrity, and yung kindness we live by, our knowledge, the lessons and the mindset we pass to our children and community, and yung impact, our impact, the small acts of help, encouragement, and inspiration that change someone's path. Because someday the income will fade, definitely, but your influence will echo. The home you build, the business you grow, those are beautiful. But the love, faith, and wisdom you plant in others, that's eternal. So ask yourself, are you building just an income or a legacy? Are you living just to get by or to give back? Maybe your greatest investment isn't your business, it's the people whose lives are better because you existed. So mga kakwento, let's start leaving a legacy beyond money. Let's teach our children that true success isn't about having more. It's about being more. So be that kind of person whose presence lifts others and whose absence reminds them of love, faith, and purpose. Because someday when people speak of us, I hope they won't just say, oh, she did well in life, but also she made a difference. So live now, not just to earn, but to inspire. That's how real legacies are built. So if this story moved you, you share it with someone who needs a reminder that that the best legacy isn't money, it is meaning. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee. Bring your dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more about the business, you can direct message me or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. Good night and God bless us all. Bye bye.